Hey everyone, this is MotiWave. Have you ever wondered why some people achieve success while others stay stuck in the same place? The answer lies in their habits. Today, we'll break down 5 simple yet powerful habits that will help you reach success. Waking up early. Most successful people are early birds. Why? Because the early hours are the most productive. There's no rush, fewer distractions, and you can fully focus on your work. Studies show that early risers are more likely to achieve their goals because they have time for planning, self-improvement, and meditation. Mornings give you a distraction-free space to reflect on your thoughts, dreams, and plans. How to implement: go to bed earlier, put away gadgets an hour before sleep, and start waking up at least 15 minutes earlier each day. Use an alarm with a gradual volume increase to make waking up easier. Daily planning. Without a clear plan, you waste time on random tasks instead of moving toward your goals. Planning helps you prioritize effectively and focus on what truly matters. People who plan their day achieve their goals 2 to 3 times faster than those who act chaotically. Research in productivity confirms this. How to implement: before going to bed, write down your top 3 tasks for the next day. Use a notebook or an app. Plan not only your work but also time for rest, exercise, and self-improvement. Reading every day. The smartest and most successful people are always learning. Books are a concentrated source of knowledge that saves you years of trial and error. Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Bill Gates all share one habit: they read every day. This gives them new ideas, knowledge, and inspiration. How to implement: start with 10 pages a day and choose books on self-development, business, and psychology. Read in the morning or before bed to build a consistent habit. Physical activity. Health is the foundation of success. An energetic person does more, thinks faster, and feels more confident. Even 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity a day improves brain function, boosts energy levels, and helps manage stress. How to implement: do a 10-minute morning workout, go for walks, or exercise at least 3 times a week. The key is consistency. Find an activity you enjoy so that it becomes a habit you look forward to. Self-reflection. Without analyzing your actions, you can stay stuck in one place for years. Only self-awareness allows you to see mistakes and grow. Successful people regularly reflect on their progress. They analyze their achievements, correct mistakes, and adjust their strategies. How to implement: keep a success journal, review your progress once a week, and ask yourself, what did I do well? What can I improve? Write down your insights and adjust your approach accordingly. These 5 habits may seem simple, but they shape the mindset of a successful person. The key is not to try and implement them all at once. Start with one habit, integrate it gradually, and your life will change. Subscribe and stay on the MotiWave.